Hey guys, I'm back. Today I will solve table completion from Cambridge 15 Academic Reading Test 1 and the questions are 8 to 13. You know what? Today I ain't going to ask you to subscribe my channel because I believe if my videos are really helpful for you, then you will subscribe by all means, and if they are not good, then you will do what you want to do, right? Hence, without further delay, let's get started. First, read the question very carefully. It is very important for you to read the question instruction very carefully since it tells us what type of answer should we look for. Will it be a one-word answer or no more than 2 words and so on. Here we have been instructed to choose only one word. Let's look at question number 8. Now I will highlight the keywords. Middle Ages, nutmeg, brought to Europe. Now read the passage. Remember, in my second video, when I solved question number 5, there was information about Middle Age. Hence, we will start from second paragraph. Look at the sentence. So you can see it is clearly written here that the Arabs were the exclusive importers of the spice to Europe. That means the answer for question number 8 will be by the Arabs. Now question number 9. Let's highlight the keywords. 17th century, demand for nutmeg and disease. Let's read the passage. So we got end of the 16th century. Okay, let's continue the reading. Here we got the year 1602. Let's highlight. So from here the 17th century begins. Let's continue reading. So we got our disease, plague. So our answer for question number 9 will be plague. Let's look at question number 10. The keywords in the question are the Dutch to control Banda Islands, restricted production, put, avoid, cultivated outside the islands. Let's go back to the passage. We can see the Banda Islands. Look at the sentence. All exported nutmeg was covered with lime to make sure that there was no chance a fertile seed which could be grown elsewhere would leave the island. So all exported nutmeg was covered with lime. fertile seed. So the answer will be lime. So put lime. Or nutmeg, to avoid it being cultivated outside the islands. Let's look at question number 11. And the keywords are obtained, island of, from the British. Let's get back to the passage. So we found the control of the British. We found Treaty of Breda. So we got our island. So the answer will be finally obtained the island of Run from the British. Now question number 12. At this point, pause the video and guess the keywords. Okay, the keywords are 1770, nutmeg plants, secretly taken. Let's scan the passage. So we got 1770. So here we can see the word smuggled, nutmeg plants in Mauritius. So the answer is Mauritius. 1770 nutmeg plants were secretly taken to Mauritius. Now question number 13, and the keywords are 1778, Banda Islands nutmeg plantations destroyed by. Let's back to the passage. So we got 1778, volcanic eruption, and tsunami. Wiped out half the nutmeg groups. So the answer is tsunami. Okay, but why tsunami? Why not volcanic eruption? Because the instructions in the question said to choose only one word. For that reason, since volcanic eruption is of two words, that's why the correct answer will be tsunami. Thank you everyone. In my next video, I am going to solve questions 14 to 18 from the test.